Hi everyone, it's Zarina. It's been a while since I made a vlog, and for today I am gonna do a makeup tutorial. This is like a super quick and easy makeup look, and I think I'm going for something green, like my hair. This is how I do my own makeup, so if you guys are interested, keep watching.
10 seconds later.
The first thing I'll do is I'll put on some sunscreen. Just a little bit. I use sunscreen to like moisturize my face and stuff like that, to my neck too. Clinique eye primer. Lip balm. So while I do my makeup, it's like here for a longer time. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm gonna apply it with like a, I don't know what kind of brush this is, but this small brush. I used to like fill my eyebrows first and then apply concealer, but I saw this trick on Instagram that some people like do their concealer first and then fill the eyebrows, and I don't know, I think it's just whatever you prefer. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god, there's so much acne on my face. I just put the other stuff like that. 2, 3, nose. So now it's time to fill in my eyebrows. I'm using MAC in the shade Deep Brunette to like just fill it in. Using a beauty blender, you just blend it all in.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have enough.
The next thing is the Skin Longwear foundation in the shade Cool Golden. Cool Golden. I really like this foundation because it has SPF 20, so like sunscreen plus this is like, so I just put like dots all over my face and blend it again with a beauty blender. We're just gonna get in with our eyeshadow. For today, I'm gonna be using Too Faced Sweet Peach. This is like my first palette, and I think it's like a very good buy. I don't know, I just use this Mario Badescu stuff. I'm just gonna spray some my eyeshadow brush. I'm taking the shade Puree as my transition shade. Next is the green one, Bless Your Heart. I use this like angular brush, soft derby to me. Now I'll do that to the other side too. Just gonna blend all those in. Even this one. Add. Bless her heart. Bless her heart. Just using the same brush, I put some under my eyes. I'm using double decker lashes. Just gonna curl my lashes first. And apply this.
As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Space makes me sad.
I'm gonna apply false eyelashes off cam, so see you guys in a bit. So I just put on my eyelashes and I'm gonna use the whole bronzer. So it's like a 3 figure. Then I just like blend that in. Now for the highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit palette. This is my favorite shade. Summer, it's like almost gone. I just used a hand brush and I just put that here. I'm gonna add some clear eyebrow gel from Anastasia. Okay. So they won't move. Ooh, it's like a bloody red lip tint. There you go. My cousin in the Philippines gave it to me. Love this lip liner from MAC. It's in the shade Auburn. I always get Auburn. I have like million of these, but ito na lang natira. So just gonna line your lips like that. I don't know, honestly, I'm just doing whatever. I'm gonna mix all of these for my lips. That one and this one. It's in the shade Beetroot. I think I'll mix this one too. It's Pink Punch Pop Benefit Pink Berry Liquid Lip Color. It smells like lip gloss, I think. Yeah, I think it's fine. One more for highlight. Yeah. I'll just do my hair real quick and I'll be back.
A few moments later.
That's the finished look and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!